Hi everybody and welcome back to today's ChinesePod lesson. My name is Joe.
Hi, 很高兴又与大家见面了，我是庆林，欢迎来到中文播客。
Today we are going to talk about abilities. So Qingling, how do we say to be able to do something in Chinese?
会
So that's a verb, 会, forced tone, and it means to be able to do something or to be capable of doing something. And the dialogue is about cooking. How do we say cooking in Chinese?
做菜
So two forced tones together as well. So when you know this already, you will probably be able to get a good part of the dialogue. So let's check it out.
你会做菜吗？
会一点，你呢？
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。你会做菜吗？
会一点，你呢？
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。你会做菜吗？
会一点，你呢？
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。
After listening to this dialogue, let's break it down line by line.
你会做菜吗？
Are you able to cook?
你会做菜吗？
Can you cook?
你会做菜吗？会一点，你呢？
A bit. And you?
会一点，你呢？
A bit. And you?
会一点，你呢？我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。
I'm very good at cooking. I'll cook for you next time.
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。
I'm very good at cooking. I'll cook for you next time.
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。
So you've just learned the words for be able to and cooking. Those were
会做菜，会做菜。
And with this, the first sentence or the first question should be rather easy to understand because it's simply you can or able to, then cook, and then there's a question particle in the end. So how is the whole question again?
你会做菜吗？
And if you left out that ma in the end, the whole thing would just be a statement instead. How would that sound?
你会做菜。
So this would just be you can cook. Not a question, just a statement. Okay, let's talk about the 会 here a little bit more in detail. 会 is a modal auxiliary verb. So similar as in English, you can just pair it up with other verb combinations to say that you are able to do something or that you can do something. So maybe let's try a little bit and I want to check whether or not you can do some things.
好啊。
Okay.
哦，我会用电脑，会用电脑。
你会用电脑吗？
我会用电脑。
Okay. Good.
哦，我会拍照，
拍照。
会拍照。
Okay, I have something else. Can you play poker?
我不会玩扑克牌。
Okay. Then maybe let's go for a meal or something. Like, can you read the menu?
哦，我会看菜单，会看菜单。
So this question is quite common actually, because when you go out in China for lunch or dinner or whatever with friends and they'll ask you like, do you understand? They may just ask you, 你会看菜单？
我会看菜单。
我也会。Okay. Something else that you may have to understand, although we all use cell phones, but there are maps anywhere, right? So,
我不会看地图。
oh, okay. So then the cell phone for you. Okay. Another thing you can watch. Do you understand this one?
哦，我会看时间。
And yeah, you may think that's a weird question, but actually there are so many people already that do not understand this kind of clock anymore because they all use cell phones and everything. Same thing with the map, actually. What about this one here? Can you draw?
我会画画，画画。
Good. I got you another one. Wait. Can you? Okay, I'll try to make it dance. Can you dance?
我不会跳舞。
And maybe even ballet? Yeah, looks kind of ballet-ish.
芭蕾舞，我不会。
我也不会. Okay.
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So, visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.